Today we're baking.
Cheers.
Take a bite.
Cheers. You want to say hi to your YouTube channel?
Hi.
What are we making today?
Today we're making apple crisp.
That's right. Because now we're going to show them the ingredients.
Can I peel it?
Yep. But.
You gotta help me peel it.
Yep, I'm going to help you peel it.
Yeah, I can't peel it by myself.
Well, here you can.
I will see if I could.
So we wash these apples in 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We let them soak for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we rinse them. So you need 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 cup light brown sugar, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cup cold unsalted butter diced into small cubes, and a pinch of kosher salt. So the first thing we need to do, now that our apples are washed, is we need to peel and slice them. Make sure your fingers aren't in front. Hold this with your right hand. And then, yep, keep your hand out of the way. Okay, turn. Okay, this is how you...
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna be able to do that.
I got an apple.
Yeah. Let me show you
I
again.
peeled them.
Let me show you. So you want to put it flat on the apple and just make sure your fingers aren't in front of it.
Oh, put it in the hole?
Well, you can, yeah.
My finger kept going in.
So
Mine is
basically
little.
you're peeling with this flat on the apple.
Dad,
Not-
I peel?
Yep. Let me just finish this side up. Okay, so now try and peel the top. You gotta have the peeler. You gotta have the peeler flat on the apple.
Oh,
It's gotta be like this.
sorry.
Well, I mean, I just showed you. That's the only reason. It's frustrating that I just told you. No. I just showed you 3 times.
See?
No. You don't want to ever cut or peel towards yourself. Put the peeler flat.
I can't.
Yeah, look, you can. It's not even, you don't even have to push that hard. You just put the, I can peel them all. Why don't you just tell your fans what's coming up next?
We're kind of we're making, what kind of the one that we're making again? I can't do it.
Right now?
Yeah.
We are making old-fashioned apple crisp.
Old-fashioned apple crisp.
Yep. And we're using 6 Granny Smith apples.
Hey, Dad, those look like pineapples that you have a hole in it.
Yeah, kind of. But basically, once our apples are peeled and sliced, we want to put them in that big bowl. So why don't you get that big bowl? Yep, that's the one. And then, this apple's a little bit too thick.
Why is that apple too thick, Daddy?
So why don't you, okay, I'm gonna throw them in there because you're busy doing whatever it is you're doing. So we want these pretty thin, and then we cut them in half.
I'll say like and subscribe when we're kind of going to say goodbye.
Well,
Can I have a piece?
so once I'm done cutting these apples, we can go ahead and start mixing the ingredients together. You want another piece of apple? Pretty sweet apple, huh? Almost a little bit sour too.
It's like a ring.
It isn't like a ring.
Yeah. No, the hole.
Yep. That's what I was talking about too.
A ring?
Yep. Okay, here's your apples. So, right now, we got the chopped apples. You need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Put it in.
Yep, dump it all in. Okay, add that. It's a half a teaspoon.
It's cinnamon.
Yep. Can I have that dish back too when you're done? Put that in there too. So we need to save some.
I'm smelling.
Does it smell good? We need to put the rest of this lemon juice in there. Good job.
It's lemony.
Okay, and then now I want you to mix it together.
Okay.
Need some help mixing it?
No.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm moving it like it's like a cooker. I'm cooking some bananas.
How many bananas are in there?
5 bananas.
5 bananas. I'm pretty sure it's 6 apples. Let me mix these up for you. 'Cause we gotta get all that coated on there.
What did you say?
So we need to get them all coated, so we gotta mix them up good. It smells good. Wow, that smells really good, don't you think?
I'm gonna close my ears.
You wanna close your ears?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take a look at those apples. What do you think? Do they smell good? Yeah. Why don't you say it with words?
It smells good.
I agree. It does smell good.
Hey Dad, it's like a rainbow. Rainbow apples.
So now we gotta arrange this in this pan. So
What are we gonna do now?
no, just hold on. We're gonna just wow, that is a lot of apples. So we gotta
They're still like garden.
kind of move this all around. That's almost too many apples. Wanna try one?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, add 1 cup brown sugar.
Dump it in.
Yep. Perfect.
Now what now?
Oh, be careful, these are glass. And then you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of old-fashioned oats.
Old fashioned.
Careful, they're glass.
Hey.
Then you're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of flour.
Now dump it in.
Yep. That was much better. And now we gotta dump all this butter in. No, I'm just gonna help you.
Okay. mix it?
Yeah, there's two ways to do this. You can either use your hands or...
I want to use my hands.
Oh, we just washed our hands, so you can do that, or you can use this right here, and you can mix it together with that.
How do you do it? Like this?
Yeah, maybe you should just use your hands. You're gonna have to take your bracelet off, though.
Oh, this. I don't want to get it.
Okay, now combine it all together with your hands like that until you get about pea-sized crumbs like this.
Squish them? Squish the butter?
Yep, you can squish it all together.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands back.
Oh, we gotta put the rest of the cinnamon in too, so I'm gonna just dump that in.
My hands are cinnamon now.
Yep.
Oopsie, I dropped some on the floor, Daddy.
That's okay, we'll clean up. Let me help a little bit. Okay, is it okay if I help?
Yeah.
Can you move your hands?
Yeah, my hands are cinnamon.
Yep.
At
So
least,
you gotta mix this up a lot more before you start.
can I do it like that?
Yeah, but Daddy's gotta help a little bit because
My hands are cinnamon.
you gotta break all this butter up into pieces.
Okay, can I help?
Yeah, just let me help a little bit more, and then you can finish it up.
Well, my hands are cinnamon.
Yep.
Oh, the table is messy, Dad.
It's okay. We'll clean it.
Whoa.
If you want, once you're ready to play in this again with your hands, you're gonna get it all over your hands again. So yeah, you kind of want to break. You want to look? You want to break up these pieces. Okay, we got it pretty good. You can keep going. I'm gonna wash my hands again.
I'm smashed.
Yep, you kind of want to just squeeze it together like that.
Squeeze it like this?
Well, yeah, but you want to squeeze it, kind of.
All buttery.
Yep.
My hands are. Hey, Dad. These are like little cookie balls.
Kind of. That's the topping. That is the apple. That's what makes it apple crisp.
Oh. What are you trying?
I'm just rearranging the apples so they...
I'm rolling up them. I'm rolling up the butter. I dropped one.
The idea is to cut the butter into the...
I could roll it with one.
So this is saying that this is what it's supposed to look like.
Can I see?
Yeah.
It's supposed to look like apple crisp.
Well, no, it's supposed to be one big ball, and then once it's all mixed together, we can... Now that this is all together... Oh my goodness. That smells so good. You're not gonna wait for me? Hold on 1 second. Let's just try it. Oh, did you try a little bit? Is it hot?
No. Oh.
Oh yeah, it's hot. Blow on it.
I rolled it.
All right, cheers.
Take a bite.
Cheers.
Say cheese over here.
Cheese over here.
Sayana, smile.
Mm-hmm.
Smile with your apple course.
Is.
Honey, look this way.
It's really good.
It's nice sugar.
Well, definitely making this again.